Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on fast startup if the option is missing on your Windows 10 computer. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving that. So we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in CMD, best result, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it. It's going to say power CFG / hibernate on. So I'm going to have, like I said, in the description of the video, just copy it to your clipboard, just meaning highlight over it, right click and copy, or use your Control C keyboard shortcut. Then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter your keyboard to run this command. So the reason why it's not going to run in my system is that the firmware does not support hibernation. So I'm in a virtual environment, so I really shouldn't be that surprised. But if you're running a laptop or a normal computer, if you ran this command successfully and then you closed out of here and went back into the start menu, went under power options, power and sleep settings, and you open that up, and then you went underneath additional power settings here, and you selected choose what the power button does, and you clicked on that. You would see that there would be options. If you click on change settings that are currently unavailable, there would be a fast startup option that you could check mark. Unfortunately, since I'm in a virtual machine, it won't give me that option, but so I think you guys get the point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.